water into hydrogen, creating a simple hydrogen generator from an old battery, HH0. Hydrogen, known for its potential as a clean and efficient energy source, can be produced through a simple process called electrolysis. In this article, we'll explore how to transform water into hydrogen using a DIY hydrogen generator made from an old battery. Materials needed: old battery. Choose a non-rechargeable battery, preferably one that is no longer functional. Plastic container. A small plastic container to hold the water and facilitate the electrolysis process. Electrodes. Retrieve the electrodes from the old battery. Usually, these are made of zinc and manganese dioxide. Electrical wires. Use insulated electrical wires to connect the electrodes to the power source. Water. Distilled water is recommended for cleaner electrolysis. Power source. A low-voltage power source, such as a DC power supply or batteries. Steps. Safety first. Ensure you are working in a well-ventilated area. Although this experiment involves low voltages, safety precautions are essential. Prepare the electrodes. Carefully extract the electrodes from the old battery. Clean them to remove any excess materials. Create the electrolysis chamber. Fill the plastic container with distilled water, leaving some space at the top. Place the electrodes in the water, ensuring they don't touch each other. Connect the wires. Connect the electrodes to the power source using the electrical wires. The zinc electrode, usually the larger one, and the manganese dioxide electrode is the cathode. Start the electrolysis. Turn on the power source, and you'll observe bubbles forming around the electrodes. This is the hydrogen gas evolving from the anode. Collect the gas. To collect the hydrogen gas, place an inverted container over the anode. The gas will